Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Sharma. Today in this video we will talk about difference between homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. In our previous video, as we have discussed about mixtures in the classification of matter, mixtures can be further classified into two categories, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. What is the name of meaning term homo? Homo means the same, but the term hetero means the different. So it is clearly we can say that in case of homogeneous mixtures, components are completely mixed with each other and cannot be seen with naked eyes. But in case of heterogeneous mixtures, components are clearly visible with naked eyes or can be separated by using ultramicro or can be seen by using ultra microscope. Particles are uniformly distributed in case of homogeneous mixtures, but in case of heterogeneous mixtures, particles are not uniformly distributed. Compositions is uniform in case of homogeneous mixtures, but composition is not uniform in case of heterogeneous mixtures. Physical separation is not possible in case of homogeneous mixtures, but it can be particles can be separated out physically in case of heterogeneous mixtures. It has only one phase. Homogeneous mixtures has only one phase, but heterogeneous mixtures are having two or more phases. Examples of homogeneous mixtures are air, alloys, sugar solution, solution of salt in water. All homogeneous mixtures are called solutions. Solutions that will be the part of two components and there will be the uniform composition. We get the uniform mixture and the particles are uniformly distributed. If we take any water soluble salt like sodium chloride, you dissolve in water, we get the uniformly distribution of the sodium and chloride ions in the water. If the sugar like the glucose is soluble in water, so if we put sugar in water and dissolve it, we get the solution of sugar, and it is also uniformly composition. We will not observe that some part of the sugar solution is more sweet and some part is lesser sweet. We get the sweetness, we observe the taste of sweetness equally from all of the sides. So it means that the composition is uniform, or the sugar molecules are uniformly distributed in the solution. But in case of heterogeneous mixtures, examples like sand is not insoluble in water. So if the as we observed that the density of sand is more as compared to water, so that will sand particles are settled down and water will come above to the surface of the sand. So we can separate out water easily from the sand. Water is not soluble in oil is also not soluble in water. So this water and oil we can separate out easily. So mixture of grains and pulses along with some dirt, like if some dirt particles are there, we can, like stone particles are there, sometimes we can separate out these stone particles by simple filtration. By simple mechanical techniques or simple methods we can separate out heterogeneous mixtures, but it is not possible in case of homogeneous mixtures. The physical separation is not possible. You have to adapt or use some specific techniques or latest instrumentation methods for the separation of homogeneous mixtures. Please like and share this video and also subscribe my channel for getting more videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. This is my contact mobile number and my email ID, so you can ask your problems with respect to your subject chemistry. Thank you.